Hey everybody, welcome to another 182 Collectibles video. We're going to be doing an unboxing today. So, today is going to be a Ned Stark exclusive Valyrian Steel, Game of Thrones. Their biggest sword they've done to date is ice. Here we go. Valyrian Steel, they have done Oathkeeper. They haven't done Widow's Will yet, which is what? Scott, come in here.
Yep.
Pull it, pull it, pull it, pull the shaft. All right, let's see what we're dealing with. Now, as every single Valyrian Steel sword, you come with a photo of authenticity in a very not nice envelope. There we go. This is the stainless steel version, not Damascus steel, so you're saving about $550, give or take. So you're gonna want to go with this one. All right, so you got a fun little booklet. Not go without the booklet. All right, here we go. Oh. Wow. Wow. So it's a lot heavier than we thought it was gonna be. It's a lot heavy. Okay, so all around, this is a full tang great sword. It's a lot simpler compared to your long claw, your Oathkeeper, all that stuff. But the blade is significantly thicker than either of those. Wow, really good weight to it. Hey Scott, come here.
Yes.
I've got my number 2. Come on in here.
Okay, cool.
Have a drink.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Alright, so I'm gonna have Scott hold up my blade.
By the blade?
By the blade. By the blade. It
Alright.
is not sharp, it is full tang, but it is not actually battle ready. It's got a little bit of a, I probably could cut Scott's head off.
Wouldn't like that.
He wouldn't like it, but it's there. How's the tip looking?
Equally
Put your
sharp.
finger on the tip, Scott.
Yeah. That's spicy.
Alright, so the tip is pretty spicy. Scott's gonna hold on to the...
Yeah, got a nice even weight to it.
Alright, where's my, we were promised some kind of
Side
black.
dip?
There should be a black and side dip.
Right there.
Alrighty. So Scott, tell me about the weight.
I'm thinking this is about, maybe I'm not that good at guessing weight here, but I'd say between 7 and 12 pounds.
Alright, so from Scott, who's not that good at weights, we're looking at 7 to 12 pounds. Now, this is the plaque. This looks like a child's toy plaque, which is unfortunate because this sword is large as Scott, who's an adult male. He's an adult grown man,
It's a
and
fine species.
yeah, and that's pretty tiny. So this is literally a needle with a plaque, but a little bit bigger. So it's pretty much nothing special. It's got your Stark sigil, nothing great, but
What would you say the material of the plaque is?
it's nice. It's a nice plaque. It's got some nice wood finish to it. It's nice, but the fact that it's a tiny little thing.
Frisbee
So-
later?
Frisbee later. So if we were to put a person's head down on a table, how'd that look?
I don't know.
Let's give it a shot. Here.
You're right.
So if we were to reenact the scene from Game of Thrones and
Dublin.
we were to put their head down, it's a pretty good look. You got some nice weight to it.
That hurts.
And apparently it hurts. It's got some nice sharpness to it, and
That's
yeah.
heavy.
We okay down there?
Am I?
Yeah. So compared to Longclaw, it's about double the thickness. It's got some really nice weight to it. As a great sword, I'm pretty happy with it. Overall, if you have any friends or exes you want to kill, this is probably the sword for you. You can sharpen this thing up. It doesn't come with battle ready. It's full tang, which means when you hit somebody, it's not going to break in half on you. Which I feel like the only other sword in Valyrian Steel would be Robb Stark. So overall, I'm pretty happy with Ice. What would you say?
Hi, Mom.
Yeah, hi Mom. It's pretty sharp. So thanks so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you're interested. And yeah, it's a pretty fucking big sword. Thanks so much for watching.